यत्र नार्यस्तु पूज्यन्ते रमन्ते तत्र देवता. जहाँ पर नारी की पूजा होती है वहां पर भगवान खुद बसते हैं. So it's a amazing day for us, and that's why even in the show, no, Amit, we were saying International Women's Day. It's a happy occasion for all the creators of the world. Another dot ball straight to Sunita Sarte. They are not going to challenge her arm at all. Yesterday, 3 run outs. An amazing interview with her as well. She spoke so much nice about her friends, her supporting people around her from her village and from her birthplace. Another single towards point.
2 रन बोर्ड पर लगा दिए हैं. पहला ओवर, आखिरी बॉल इस ओवर की. नारी का मतलब ही शक्ति होता है. इस बार फिर से स्वीप शॉट विकेट के पीछे और वहां पर फील्डर तैनात है. पहले ओवर की बेहतर शुरुआत, 3 रन बिना किसी नुकसान के एक के बाद.
Being educated through our initiatives, with 20% being students with disabilities and 80% from underprivileged backgrounds. Higher education with quality will take you closer to the better job. Through our higher education support, more than 24,000 students across 11 states have been able to continue their studies and chase their dreams. The vision behind Samarthanam's education
Sunita Sarte to begin the second over. Down the leg side, she starts off with a wide delivery. Yeah, right. Not a right start for the player of the match awardee yesterday. Nice discussions that she had with us. Of course, we will also play the interview in the mid-innings break. Another single to Aneka Devi Thakur towards square leg. Sushma Patel is there. And today, of course, captaining the side is Aneka Devi Thakur. Very important day here, Amit, for Aneka and North Zone, because they need to go out there and perform really well. Another single to Dhanika behind on that square leg region. They'll have to put up a fighting performance today.
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल. और कहीं ना कहीं पिछले 2 मुकाबले उतने बेहतर नहीं रहे हैं. और आज वो कहते हैं अंत भला तो सब भला. और यहाँ पर इस मुकाबले में अब तक जिस तरीके से पहला ओवर खेला है, उसके बाद तालमेल में कमी है. बाल बचे. अगर कीपर एंड पर थ्रो होता तो कहीं ना कहीं दुर्घटना हो सकती थी.
बिल्कुल हो सकती थी. And again that stop from the B1 player of the West Zone. Yeah, Saloni diving towards the right, and then Chetna Ban was very clear in going for the throw. Down the leg side again. Wide delivery. Yeah, she was once again trying to play that shot behind the keeper, and there, that stop we are watching once again from Shivani on that occasion. Both the batters are almost stranded at the center of the wicket. And when you said Talmel ki kami, that's exactly what we don't want to have as well. Another single down towards square leg.
9 रन बोर्ड पर लगे हैं. और आज जिस प्रकार बल्लेबाजी की है नवीन, कहीं ना कहीं एक अच्छा कंट्रोल दिख रहा है बल्लेबाजी में नॉर्थ जोन की टीम में. और अनेका जो कि एक बड़ा दारोमदार, बड़ी जिम्मेदारी आज उनके कंधों पर. और उनके साथ धनिका जो कि जानी जाती हैं विस्फोटक बल्लेबाजी के लिए, और आज वो कार्य करना होगा.
And also they did better yesterday, isn't it? First day they scored 90, and then yesterday their fielding and batting was much better. Today they should be really bettering themselves than yesterday. That's in the gap from Aneka Devi Thakur, but Chetna Ban will cut it across at mid-wicket. 2 overs gone, 11 for no loss. It's a nice steady start for North Zone.
and higher education programs to create an inclusive society where education empowers everyone. At Samarthanam Livelihood Resource Center, we believe that every individual deserves a chance to build their future with dignity, skill, and independence. With 17 livelihood resource centers across 10 states, we have trained over 53,000 students to choose the right
Chetna Ben, it's nice to see that she's getting another good opportunity into her second over. Down the leg side. Now she times it really well. Aneka Devi Thakur towards fine leg. And there is a fielder completely set and ready. Is Karishma. Good work from her at fine leg as well. Tanika, of course, we know that she can hit the ball really hard and long. She needs that good start in the middle, good time in the middle to be spending out. See, that's a good timing, right of the middle of the bat towards deep backward of square leg. And now I think the running between the wickets also has settled down really nicely. And there we go. That is exactly what we saw in that replay as well. Nika once again times it really nicely. Sushma Patel and Karishma both are there behind. And today, yeah, the wicket keeping duties is being taken care by Goody. And there we see no Durga Yavle for the West Zone. And number 4 on the jersey is Goody. She's there as a wicket keeper. With on offer outside the off stump. Straight to Muskan Gochar. She misfields. Should only be the one. And the fielding effort needs to be on point always. There we see Muskan was attacking the ball really well, but then missed out. That allowed Danica to complete that single nicely. Again, straight to that short square leg region. No ball, probably, I think. The center line, no ball. Yeah, it is. It is because it was very marginal. Very, very marginal as well. There, probably unlucky, I should say. But we will stay with the umpire's call on that. Yeah, it was very marginal. No ball, yes. One extra run there for the North Zone because the first bounce should be in the bowler's half. The second bounce needs to be over in the batter's half. Last ball of the third over. Again, a very decent over. Straight to Sunita. No is the call. This is good thinking. The throw came in nicely. Aneka Devi Thakur hitting it really hard towards Sunita Sarte. And immediately at that short mid-wicket region, I think that's also caused a little bit of an injury there for Dhanika. And thankfully, she did make it nicely. 3 overs gone. 18 for no loss.
Profession and achieve financial independence. We feel proud that 63% of our trainees are successfully placed across various sectors, proving that skill and determination has no limits. Through 250 plus job fairs, we have created opportunities for 23,000 plus individuals to find a meaningful employment. Our mission is to provide technical and sector-based training for persons with disabilities and underprivileged communities to help them build a sustainable future. Samarthanam Institute of Music and Performing Arts. We offer Bharatanatyam dance, Hindustani classical music.
Change in the bowling attack. Karishma, of course, will be introduced for the 4th over. And Amit, it's a nice, decent start. 3 overs, 18 for no loss.
जी हाँ बिल्कुल आज लगभग तैयारी करके आई है नॉर्थ जोन की टीम और दिखाते हुए वो जुझारूपन की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत थी इस टीम से और आज वो नज़र आया है। शुरुआत की है वाइड बॉल के साथ इस ओवर की तो लगभग अब देखा जाए जिस तरीके से रन गति चल रही है आज अगर आप देखेंगे 6.33 रन प्रति ओवर के हिसाब से बल्लेबाजी हो रही है और इसके पहले जो दोनों मुकाबले खेले पावर प्ले में कहीं ना कहीं वो गति नहीं पकड़ पाए थे नॉर्थ जोन के बल्लेबाज उसके चलते वो दबाव देखने को मिला था।
Yeah, today they need to play freely. Nice shot again towards short backward of square leg. Chetna Ben is there. Another single to Dhanika. And most important is Amit that they do not have a confusion in running between the wickets. Yesterday, from the whole match, we saw 11 runouts. That was being conceded by either teams. Reverse shot. Straight to the short third fielder. Nice fielding from Jia, I should say, to keep that down for a single. And yeah, like you said, the current run rate is healthy, is good. And today, of course, they will be missing out the services of Simu Das, the regular captain of the North Zone, in her batting specifically. But that has to be nicely overcome by the North Zone. That's in the gap towards fine leg. That's running away to the boundary rope as well. Wonderful shot of a timing. First boundary for Dhanika. And that's first boundary there for the North Zone.
जी हाँ बिल्कुल शानदार ये शॉट 4 रन अर्जित किए और खराब बॉल को सही नसीहत देने में कामयाब बल्लेबाज वहां पर हुए हैं। अगर आप देखेंगे डाउन द लेग जाती हुई बॉल अच्छा स्वीप शॉट विकेट कीपर ने जरूर मदद की बल्लेबाज की वो 4 रन हासिल करने में एक अच्छा बेहतर एफर्ट चाहिए था। एक बार फिर इस बार और भी बेहतर इस बार गैप में बॉल पीछे फील्डर तैनात, एक ही रन से संतुष्ट होना पड़ेगा।
No Durga Yavle, the regular keeper. Goody behind the stumps. Pressure a situation for her. First boundary that was being played, that went between her shoes. That's in the gap. Sunita Sarte does well. What a strong player, Sunita Sarte. Now she is Jonty Rhodes plus Yuvraj Singh both put together because Yuvi can bat bowl. Jonty didn't bowl, but Sunita can. I think there's a bit of an injury that is under place. That is not looking good. That is not looking good. Tanika, she's struggling. Yeah, remember that dive she put in while she was going out there. The dive that was really needed because to save her wicket. I think she's struggling as a physio will come out. And there we go. The physio team is there. International Women's Day today. And of course, we have all women physio as well for this Collective Newsrooms Beyond Boundaries trophy. The CSR initiative, of course, from Collective Newsroom. And we'll come back soon. 27 on the board.
Carnatic classical music and theatre arts drama. SIMPA provides free education for persons with disabilities and the underserved. Sunadha, the arts and cultural wing of Samarthanam Trust for the Disabled, where Samarthanam encourages artistic talent among people with disabilities by imparting training in dance and music. Team Sunadha has delivered more than 3,800 plus performances across 3 continents. The visually impaired musical band and dance troupe of Sunadha is deeply creative with talented musicians, dancers and instrumentalists. Sunadha performing arts beyond barriers are not disabled. They are definitely abled. Samarthanam's education program believes every child deserves a chance to learn, grow and lead a better life. Over 34,000 children have been educated through our initiatives, with 20% being students with disabilities and 80% from underprivileged backgrounds. Higher education with quality will take you closer to the better job. Through our higher education support, more than 24,000 students across 11 states have been able to continue their studies and chase their dreams. The vision behind Samarthanam's education and higher education program is to create an inclusive society where education empowers everyone. At Samarthanam Livelihood Resource Center, we believe that every individual deserves a chance to build their future with dignity.
Walking off. Tanika walking off is not a good sign. North Zone had a very, very good start. And her injury happened because of this. And there we go. She was diving and I guess she just twisted her ankle or knee for me while she was diving. We'll see that completely as she is walking off. That's not a nice sign. The physios are taking her away. Tanika, oh, that's a big blow. He is also the wicketkeeper, remember. He's limping. And we'll see that injury overall when she got injured. It was Aneka Devi Thakur who hit the ball towards Sunita Sarte. There we go. The dive was there. Tanika had to come in with the dive. And there. Yeah, that's a bit of an issue out there. Yeah. Yeah, the physio is taking care of her. We'll come back to live action. Karishma will be bowling to a B1 batter. Huge appeal, but that was going down the leg side. 4 overs gone, 27 for no loss.
And independence. With 17 livelihood resource centers across 10 states, we have trained over 53,000 students to choose the right profession and achieve financial independence. We feel proud that.
और ये जो पल है जहां पर शॉट जरूर लगाया था और उसके बाद अगर आप देखें थ्रो किया, उसके बाद जैसे ही वो दौड़कर वापस आ रही थी, कहीं ना कहीं वो खिंचाव देखने को मिला, उसके चलते वो इंजरी उन्हें महसूस हुई थी। और जैसा कि आपने बताया, महिला दिवस है और हमारे महिला फिजियो भी यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं। बहुत ही अच्छा कार्य उन्होंने किया।
Yeah, very correct. In the 5th over, Sunita Sarte been introduced again for her second spell. Single towards deep mid wicket. It is retired hurt. So Tanika can come back because it's an on ground injury. So she can come back whenever that is needed. Whenever North Zone needs her. Of course, Sejal has walked out to the center. 28 for no loss on the board. Play, says Sunita Sarten, and probably once again the rule, they should probably be clearly asking batter ready, and they're ready. Of course, they should say play and then release the ball. If not, it's a no ball as well. There, Sunita very clearly gets her. Quick delivery, bold, gone. And Sunita with the first wicket. The moment she says play, Sejal does not time the ball, and Sunita's Sushma Patel's friendship is once again seen out there.
सुनीता एक बार फिर शानदार गेंदबाजी स्टंप लाइन पर और बल्लेबाज को बीट किया। गति में लगातार परिवर्तन कर रही थी, उसके चलते बल्लेबाज को छकाया और पहली सफलता दिलाई अपनी टीम को। वेस्ट जोन के लिए एक बार फिर सुनीता वो कार्य करती हुई।
Yeah, and also the ball hitting the black margin. That's a confirmation again. There we go. For the B1 batter, it should hit the black margin. So North Zone lose their first wicket. And it is not a right sense because they were starting off really well. And not a right instance to go out there and lose Tanika for the injury. As Jia has walked out to the center, Jia Chobe gets off the mark. First ball. Good running between the wickets.
बहुत जल्दबाजी में वो रन लिया लेकिन उसको पूरा भी किया है। और अगर आप देखें खेलते ही नॉन स्ट्राइकर बल्लेबाज ज्यादा डेस्परेट थे उस रन की मांग के लिए और उसको पूरा भी किया। और ये वो शॉट एक बार फिर से उस दिशा में प्रहार किया है। आज कहीं ना कहीं एक बेहतर तालमेल भी दिखा है नॉर्थ जोन की बल्लेबाजी में और जरूर उनके जो हेड कोच हैं मिस्टर राजीव बंसल जी, उनके ऊपर कार्य किया होगा, उन कमियों को जरूर उनके बारे में डिस्कशन किया होगा अपने प्लेयर से और जाने जाते हैं वो कोच इसीलिए।
And also he will be under a pressure situation as well. Rajiv Bansal, he needs to go out there and do well. Another single towards square leg. Fire was gone. 31 for 1.
63% of our trainees are successfully placed across various sectors, proving that skill and determination has no limits. Through 250 plus job fairs, we have created opportunities for 23,000 plus individuals to find a meaningful employment. Our mission is to provide technical and sector-based training for persons with disabilities and underprivileged communities to help them.
That's the shining trophy of the Beyond Boundaries trophy as well. Everybody can play. It's a CSR initiative from Collective Newsroom. Support coming in from Cricket Association for Ban in India, Samarthanam Trust for the Disabled, and organized very, very nicely by Cricket Association for the Blind Delhi as well. Saloni, first B1 bowler, comes into the attack that curves into Jia Chobe nicely. Oh, look at that for a curve. Wow, brilliant. That curve.
एक बार फिर से अगर आप देखेंगे वो जो कर्व वहां पर देखने को मिला है, शानदार गेंदबाजी और ये कला होती है गेंदबाज के पास। और कप्तान जैसे ही देखा कि अब अच्छी पोजीशन में जा रही है नॉर्थ जोन की टीम, सलोनी को बुलाया गया और कहीं ना कहीं वो विकेट की एक और तलाश करते हुए वेस्ट जोन के खिलाड़ी इस वक्त।
Yeah, already a centurion. Look at that curve. Once again, we will see that after this ball because in our blind cricket, Amit, for all the other viewers also watching, we don't talk about swing because there the curve again. That's played in the air. Shot of Sunita Sarte. And we will look at that curve that happened. The first ball that was curving into the right-hand batter. Once again, good timing. Straight to Chetna Banerjee, short square leg. So it's always movement of the pitch and swing in the air. And which way this trophy is going to swing away is a big question. So that's why we don't keep talking about swing in our blind cricket format. We speak of direction of the ball. Aneka Devi Thakur covers the line nicely. That's played beautifully well towards deep square leg. They should come back for the second run. Come on. The throw came in late. And the decision to run the second run also comes in late, but they do complete it. They do complete it nicely.
देखिए नवीन, वो दिन दूसरा था, ये दिन दूसरा है। आज अगर आप देखेंगे दबाव साफ झलकता हुआ वेस्ट जोन के खिलाड़ियों के ऊपर। रन वहां पर चुराया, अच्छा थ्रो नहीं था जिसके चलते बड़ी आसानी से तो दूसरा रन पूरा किया। और नवीन अगर आप देखेंगे अब जो तालमेल बन चुका है बल्लेबाजों के बीच में, इस बार दिशाहीन गेंदबाजी, अब दबाव न सिर्फ फील्डर पर बल्कि गेंदबाज के ऊपर भी। और एक के बाद जब आप दूसरा रन चुराते हैं तो वो फील्डर्स के ऊपर दबाव बनता है, गेंदबाज के ऊपर दबाव बनता है, वो यहाँ पर साफ नजर आता हुआ।
And I'm kind of happy that they've gone in with Jia Chobe at number 4. Of course, Dhanika will come out to bat whenever it's needed, and the white ball again. And generally this happens even with Saloni as well, as a very, very good player, a good all-rounder after scoring that century in the first day. What happens is the last ball of the B1 bowlers generally tends to go out there for the wide deliveries and extras. Doesn't curve back in. Good shot from Aneka Devi Thakur. Beats the fielder at short third. And there will be another chance for a couple of runs. Jia gets the ball back in. So end of the power play. It's a very good power play. 6 overs gone. 40 for 1.
And build a sustainable future. Samarthanam Institute of Music and Performing Arts. We offer Bharatanatyam dance, Hindustani classical music, Carnatic classical music, and theatre arts drama. SIMPA provides free education for persons with disabilities and the underserved. Sunadha, the arts and cultural wing of Samarthanam Trust for the Disabled, where Samarthanam encourages artistic talent among people with.
Yeah, the Sita or Geeta combination working out. Saloni, the younger sister, bowled the previous over, and now Shivani. The Sita and Geeta, of course, of our Indian blind cricket. So happy to have them. Another single. Should have had a direct hit. Sunita Sarte does not have the direct hit going in. That's the first time.
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता, क्योंकि जब जब उनके हाथ में बॉल गई है, ओ मौका, पूरा मौका था वहां पर रन आउट करने का। एक बार फिर से अगर आप देखेंगे वो जो ऐसा पल था जहां पर लगा डायरेक्ट हिट न सही, अगर गेंदबाज उसको सही तरीके से गैदर कर पाते तो एक मौका जरूर बन जाता। 42 पे 1 इस वक्त स्थिति है नॉर्थ जोन की।
We will try and break it down why it was not a direct hit. Probably I got a little bit of a differentiation with her direct hits. Another single to Sunita Sarte. We'll look at that throw once again from the mid-wicket angle as well. Now, so what happens is she does not kneel down. Watch this. She does not kneel down and she goes for the throw. And every time we've seen her, Sunita Sarte, she gets the throw right when she's kneeling down. Probably that time she's not kneeling down, and Priya Kher does well at that short square leg region. So we'll look at that throw once again. You know, what happened there was she was not kneeling down and that throw came in powerfully well, but not on the stumps. There, the throw was powerful. So that's a bit of a trick. Aneka goes inside the line of the ball, plays it nicely. Chetna Ben misfields, but there is protection behind her as well. Karishma comes in, stops it nicely. So, Amit, just trying to give out a secret. Of course, when Sunita Sarte goes to the room और देखेंगी ये मैच को बताएंगी, सर मेरे सीक्रेट क्यों बोल रहे हो, मैं बताना चाहता हूँ यहाँ पर, क्योंकि this is where the other batters can break this jinx, isn't it? You know, when the ball goes to Sunita Sarte, the batter should be really mindful, and another single there towards deep square leg. They should be really mindful to see, look at that throw once again. If Sunita Sarte is kneeling down, if she's not kneeling down, go for that single. Because the direct throw might not come in, isn't it? Watch this. Again, she's not kneeling down. The direct throw doesn't come in.
हाँ बिल्कुल, अगर नील डाउन करती तो जरूर वहां से डायरेक्ट हिट लगाती। अगर नहीं किया तो बल्लेबाज को एक मौका मिल गया, और ये बहुत ही बेहतर तरीके से आपने पिक किया है और वो मौका जरूर चुराया। और इसके बाद अब सभी बल्लेबाज इस बात पर जरूर नजर रखेंगे।
लेकिन जब डायरेक्ट हिट हो जाती है, नील डाउन नहीं करते, तो मुझे ब्लेम मत करना भाई, प्लीज। Exactly. 7 overs gone, 47 for 1.
Disabilities by imparting training in dance and music. Team Sonada has delivered more than 3,800 plus performances across 3 continents. The visually impaired musical band and dance troupe of Sonada is deeply creative with talented musicians, dancers and instrumentalists. Sunada performing arts beyond barriers are not disabled. They are definitely abled.
Kalpana right. All right.
Aneka Devi Thakur, of course, will be facing Kalpana. Now, very important that Kalpana keeps the pressure up. Down the leg side, and she digs it away nicely. The fine leg has been pushed back. It's after the power play. So the fine leg is dropped back. Kalpana becomes another B1 bowler to come into the attack.
48 पे 1 इस वक्त नॉर्थ जोन की टीम और बेहतर शुरुआत इस मुकाबले में एक अच्छी तैयारी के साथ उतरे हैं। आखिरी ये दिन बियॉन्ड द बाउंड्रीज ट्रॉफी का, इस दिन को अपने नाम करना चाहते हैं। यहाँ पर नो बॉल का सिग्नल, उसके साथ 1 रन चुराया और आज दबाव में देखिए वेस्ट जोन की टीम।
Yeah, I think the no ball was because the ball was bouncing in the popping crease. That's why. Generally, that happens. Very good camera angles as well. We'll have to talk about the lensmen, Fazil, Sagar, Rahim, Joy, and
Yes.
Safan, of course, being there for the help every time from Godwin Sparkles Productions. Nice single towards Sunita Sarte at mid-wicket. 50 up on the board for North Zone with that one.
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल दिल की संपूर्ण गहराइयों से प्रोडक्शन हाउस का धन्यवाद जरूर करना चाहेंगे। जिस तरीके से क्वालिटी, जिस तरीके से बिहाइंड द सीन जो मेहनत की जाती है इसके पीछे, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। और हर एक एंगल आप देख सकते हैं, क्वालिटी आप देख सकते हैं, और इसके पीछे की जो मेहनत है वो कई बार दिखती जरूर नहीं है, लेकिन हर एक का जो योगदान है टूर्नामेंट को, इवेंट को सफल बनाने में, वो बराबर का होता है। चाहे फिर वो ग्राउंडमैन हो या हमारे अंपायर्स हो, थर्ड अंपायर हो, सभी का बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहता है।
And also, thanks to Shailendra Yadav ji, Cricket Association for the Blind in India as General Secretary for believing in all this, and of course, a big belief coming in. That's another directed. Again, she was not kneeling down. Amit, we'll watch that again. Big support also comes in always from Mahantesh Ji Kyodasanawar sir, the chairperson of Cricket Association for the Blind in India. But here, there is no direct hit again from Sunita Sarte because she was not kneeling down. The player, the batter was not even in the frame. There she comes in, Jia Chobe. Directed again. She was gone. So we were talking about Sunita Sarte not having the direct hit if she is not kneeling down. Aneka misses out on that one down the leg side. Dot delivery. We'll see that throw again. And I was also saying that the batters need to watch this. अगर सुनीता सारते अपने घुटनों पर जाकर थ्रो नहीं कर रही हैं तो आप भाग सकते हो। तो दैट इज व्हाट आई वाज ट्राइंग टू से, बट मैंने ये भी कहा था मेरे भरोसे मत जाना, यू जस्ट चेक आउट, अगर डायरेक्टेड हो जाए तो प्लीज मुझे मत ब्लेम करना। लेकिन प्रोबेबिलिटी के बात किया आपने, है ना, तो 2 probabilities and she is not inflicted the direct hit on both the probabilities.
तो अभी तक तो जो आपने बताया उसका जो रिजल्ट है वो 100% है, क्योंकि दोनों बार अगर आप देखें नील डाउन नहीं हुई और थ्रो वहां पर नहीं लगा है, और ये वो कारण है इसके चलते 8 ओवर की समाप्ति 53 पे 1।
Samarthanam's education program believes every child deserves a chance to learn, grow, and lead a better life. Over 34,000 children have been educated through our initiatives, with 20% being students with disabilities and 80% from underprivileged backgrounds. Higher education with quality will take you closer to the better job. Through our higher education support, more than 24,000 students across 11 states.
Yes. Handshake.
Priya Kher becomes the 4th B1 bowler to be introduced into the attack. That is really good here from Sushma Patel, because B1 players who are completely visually impaired are the true spinal cord of our blind cricket. They need to be given all the exposures. Good stop there from Saloni. The ball's lost. A little bit. No, that's a little funny incident. I have not seen that ever. Saloni diving towards the left, and the ball was just stuck in the jersey and it popped out. So yeah, I was talking about the B1 bowlers being given all the opportunities here. Amit, we will look at Smita Sarte's throwing angle as well. Saloni, Shivani, Kalpana, Priya Kher. So all the 4 bowlers being introduced here.
No. Muskan.
I'll tell you one more interesting factor here before we go to Sunita Sarte from the straight angle as well. Now look at, see, because Priya is so tall, look at Anup, the umpire, how difficult it is to watch the angle of the ball. When she releases the ball, look at Anup. Oh, he had to bend,
Yes.
go out there and kind of see where the ball was. See, again, he does that. Even in the live. This is not a replay, it's a live ball again.
और उसका एक कारण ये भी है कि स्टंप्स के बहुत क्लोज रहकर गेंदबाजी करना पसंद करती हैं और स्टंप लाइन में गेंदबाजी करना चाहती हैं, वो एक ऐसा कारण है। लेकिन जैसा कि हमने जिक्र किया, थैंकलेस जॉब होती है। अंपायर जिस तरीके से जो मेहनत करते हैं, प्लेयर्स को शायद इसके बारे में उतना पता ना हो, लेकिन हर एक बॉल पर एफर्ट लगाना ये बहुत कठिन कार्य हो जाता है। उसके बाद सटीक निर्णय जो कि अब तक रहे हैं तीनों ही मुकाबले में। अगर बात की जाए अब तक जिस प्रकार अंपायरिंग का स्टैंडर्ड रहा है, काबिले तारीफ। और थर्ड अंपायर को भी उसमें जरूर शामिल करना होगा, क्योंकि जो कई बार कठिन निर्णय होते हैं वो थर्ड अंपायर के द्वारा लिए जाते हैं और उसमें बहुत ही बेहतर निर्णय हमें देखने को मिले हैं।
Yeah, another single towards third fielder as they have pushed Gia back. Nice reverse shot from Aneka Devi Thakur. Yeah, you spoke of the third umpire angle. How can we forget the Nagesh Trophy finals at Tao Devi Lal Stadium right there in Gurgaon, just a few kilometers away from here.
सही है।
I should say, what, 50, 55 kilometers from Modern School Barakhamba, maybe inside 50 kilometers. Another white ball. See again, Anup had to move around too much. Replay of the same angle will probably suggest the same thing. Anup was moving to the right. The ball went towards his left. Oh, there we go. Again, Anup had to move towards the left once again. Yes, it's a nice angle from Priya Kher to bowl from closer to the stumps. But talking about the reviews, the replay angles and the third umpire duties, of course, Subhash, I think, was the third umpire at Tao Devi Lal for the finals. He was not allowed to sit at all. There were so many replays that came in the finals, almost 7 or 8. Another single towards deep square leg. And once again, you know, thanks to all the angles, the camera angles that has been provided, you know, thanks to for people understanding our requirement. First, it's not just the number of cameras or it's not just the number of, you know, equipments that is more. It is because which angle is used to create which story. That is where people will love watching it. White ball again down the leg side. And sometimes I always keep saying, you know, I am a firm believer in Abdul Kalam ji's ideologies. They say the number of cameras is increased, the angle will probably increase. No, it's not about that. We took rocket on the cycle carrier to launch the rocket, isn't it? Whether it's 3 cameras, 4 cameras, that doesn't matter. The angle matters a lot.
और जैसे ही आपने जिक्र किया इस बात का कि साइकिल पर जब वो रॉकेट ले जाया गया, गूज़बम्प्स, ये ऐसा मोमेंट है, ऐसी प्रेरणादायक कहानी हम सभी के लिए और इंस्पिरेशन।
Yeah, totally. And look at this angle. This is the Indian, you know, franchisee league angle that we are kind of providing. It gives the overall clear picture. And once again, thanks to the managers of Cabby as well for understanding all the necessary requirements to go out there and give a world class production for people to listen and enjoy as well. 9 overs gone, 63 for 1.
Kids have been able to continue their studies and chase their dreams. The vision behind Samarthanam's education and higher education programs to create an inclusive society where education empowers everyone. At Samarthanam Livelihood Resource Center, we believe that every individual deserves a chance to build their future with dignity, skill, and independence. With 17 livelihood resource centers across 10 states, we have trained over 53,000 students to choose the right profession and
This is a bit of a surprise. Sushma Patel brings herself into the attack. Why? Because the partnership is going really good. The captain wants to come in and break it. In the 10th over, reverse shot. Aneka Devi Thakur plays it nicely. On the reverse, there is Gia. Oh, she had to throw. She had to throw. She was thinking for the relay throw to happen. That did not go out well. Couple of runs for the taking.
फिर से मौका जरूर वहां पर बन सकता था। अगर आप देखेंगे, बॉल को उठाया और रिले थ्रो के लिए पहले सोचा जरूर था, उतने में जो वक्त मिला वहां पर दूसरा रन बड़ी आसानी से पूरा किया है। तो आज फील्डिंग में कहीं ना कहीं वो तालमेल नहीं बैठा पाए अब तक वेस्ट जोन के खिलाड़ी।
On the legs, but down the leg side. And why Sushma Patel has brought herself into the attack is because the partnership is 37 runs out of just 30 deliveries. I think, Amit, you probably can correct me because I am not too very strong in numbers and mathematics, but I think this is the best partnership for the North Zone in the last 3 days that we have seen. The last 2 days at least we have seen.
डेफिनेटली। और आज वो इंटेंट देखने को मिला है पहली बॉल से इस मुकाबले में। भले ही 2 मैचेस हार गए हों, भले ही श्रृंखला नॉर्थ जोन के नाम ना हो, लेकिन आखिरी मैच में वो इंटेंट जरूर देखने को मिलता हुआ, वो लड़ाई देखने को मिलती हुई, ये वो अपील जो की थी।
She played the ball behind the stumps with a back shot. But thankfully, that ball did not go and hit the stumps there for Aneka. Another single towards deep square leg. See that angle once again. And nice to see Jia Chobe come in and support Aneka Devi Thakur as well. You know, this was the idea. Just imagine, she played the shot first. The ball hit the back of her handle there. Thankfully, she did not drag it onto the stumps. Jia times it nicely to Chetna Ben towards deep back of the square leg. Another single. So we were talking about the throw of Sunita Sarte, the run-out throw. We will watch that after this ball as players will take drinks. We'll try and talk about the probability more. So 2 out of 2 times, Sunita Sarte has not got a directed because she was not kneeling down.
और ये तो आपने इसका अध्ययन किया है, और अब प्लेयर कितना इसके ऊपर ट्रस्ट करेंगे वो तो वक्त बताएगा, और किस तरीके से वो परिणाम आएगा। बाकी जिस तरीके से आपने जिक्र किया है सुनीता सराठी की टेक्निक का, जब वो नील डाउन करती हैं, सटीक थ्रो देखने को मिले हैं कल के मुकाबले में हमने देखा, और आज 2 ऐसे मौके आए जहां पर उन्होंने बॉल उठाया और सीधा थ्रो किया विदाउट नीलिंग डाउन, और वहां पर उनको सफलता हाथ नहीं लगी।
Yeah, this was the first instance. 10 over 68 for 1. Players are taking drinks, and this is what we were trying to talk about. This is a second option. See, she was not kneeling down. The player could have been run out if there was a directed. Jia Chobe's bat stuck in the ground also. And this was another opportunity where, of course, Danika was injured as well in this one. There you go. She fields the ball, doesn't kneel down, goes with the bent throw, doesn't hit the stumps on the full. So 2 instances. Yeah, it is something of a probability. Batters can watch out this one. 10 overs gone, 68 for 1.
Achieve financial independence. We feel proud that 63% of our trainees are successfully placed across various sectors, proving that skill and determination has no limits. Through 250 plus job fairs, we have created opportunities for 23,000 plus individuals to find a meaningful employment. Our mission is to provide technical and sector-based training for persons with disabilities and underprivileged communities to help them build a sustainable future. Samarthanam Institute of Music and Performing Arts. We offer Bharatanatyam dance, Hindustani classical music, Carnatic classical music, and theatre arts drama. SIMPA provides free education for persons with disabilities and the underserved. Sunadha, the arts and cultural wing of Samarthanam Trust for the Disabled, where Samarthanam encourages artistic talent among people with disabilities by imparting training in dance and music. Team Sunadha has delivered more than 3,800 plus performances across 3 continents. The visually impaired musical band and dance troupe of Sunadha is deeply creative with talented musicians, dancers, and instrumentalists. Sunadha performing arts beyond barriers are not disabled. They are definitely abled. Samarthanam's education program believes every child deserves a chance to learn, grow, and lead a better life. Over 34,000 children have been educated through our initiatives, with 20% being students with disabilities and 80% from underprivileged backgrounds. Higher education with quality will take you closer to the better job. Through our higher education support, more than 24,000 students across 11 states have been able to continue their studies and chase their dreams. The vision behind Samarthanam's education and higher education program is to create an inclusive society where education empowers everyone. At Samarthanam Livelihood Resource Center, we believe that every individual deserves a chance to build their future with dignity, skill, and independence. With 17 livelihood resource centers across 10 states, we have trained over 53,000 students to choose the right profession and achieve financial independence. We feel proud that 63% of our trainees are successfully placed across various sectors, proving that skill and determination has no limits. Through 250 plus job fairs, we have created opportunities for 23,000 plus individuals to find a meaningful employment. Our mission is to provide technical and sector-based training for persons with disabilities and underprivileged communities to help them build a sustainable future. Samarthanam Institute of Music and Performing Arts. We offer Bharatanatyam dance, Hindustani classical music, Carnatic classical music, and theatre arts drama. SIMPA provides free education for persons with disabilities and the underserved. Sunadha, the arts and cultural wing of Samarthanam Trust for the Disabled, where Samarthanam encourages artistic talent among people with disabilities by imparting training.
Players are resuming after the drinks break. Turnover was gone 68 for 1. And a little bit of a calculation error here from Sushma Patel, I should say. She bowled the 9th over. I would have wanted her to bowl the 10th over, rather. I mean, of course, the 11th over. So she bowled the 10th over because it's Saloni, a B1 player, bowling in the 11th over. Every time we keep discussing about this, just after drinks break, the concentration is a little low. They could have gone in for another stronger bowler to break the partnership. Of course, 40 runs partnership, and Aneka Devi Thakur is completely and comfortably in a good position. Straight to Sunita, now directed! Oh, gone! She was not kneeling down! My word, Sunita Sarte proves all probabilities wrong. Forget kneeling down, forget going for the direct hit. 11th over, first ball, she was standing, and Aneka Devi Thakur, did she believe our analyzing works? I am not responsible for this. I'm so sorry there, Aneka, but this is magnanimous.
सुनीता सारते कभी ना हार मानते, उस प्रकार ये प्रदर्शन करके दिखाया। ड्रिंक्स ब्रेक के बाद अपनी टीम को वापस वो मोमेंटम दिलाया जिसकी बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत इस वक्त थी इस टीम को। और इस बार जो एनालिसिस नवीन भाई आपने किया था उसको गलत साबित कर दिखाया है चैंपियन खिलाड़ी ने।
That's why I call her the combination of Yuvraj Singh and Jonty Rhodes both. Oh my God! In this day and age, you don't have in the current T20 Indian team, you cannot compare anybody to Jonty Rhodes and Yuvraj Singh, even in the men's international side. Nice single, first up, small misfield from Chetna Ben at square leg. They wanted a second run, but won't be there. As of course, we will get that replay when it is needed, as well as Roshni comes in. Jia Chobe, of course, gets that single away. Partnership broken via another fabulous run out. Can you believe this? Goes on the reverse. Muskan is there. So, of course, today, I think later in the day, we will have the finals against New Zealand as well in the World Cup T20 finals. But do you think or remember, I don't, at point and backward of point, do you think any player as of now in the current Indian side, of course, Sky is a very good fielder. Of course, we saw, Akshar Patel, Babu ji doing really well. Bapuji. But see, they're all very good fielders outside, elsewhere. But point, backward of point. Do you remember any names out there, Amit, as another single towards deep mid wicket?
देखिए इस टीम में ऐसा कोई स्पेसिफिक खिलाड़ी नहीं है जो किसी पॉइंट, जैसा कि आपने जिक्र किया, पॉइंट या बैकवर्ड पॉइंट पर जिसने अभी तक वो नाम कमाया हो कि अगर उनको वहां पर आपने खड़ा कर दिया है तो जरूर वहां से आपको डायरेक्ट हिट देखने को मिलेगा। लेकिन एक वक्त था कि पहले अगर बात करें थोड़ा पीछे अगर मैं आपको ले चलूं तो युवराज सिंह, जैसा कि आपने भी जिक्र किया था, वो एक ऐसे खिलाड़ी थे जिन्होंने पॉइंट के क्षेत्र में वो जो सटीकता दिखाई थी। उनके बाद रविंद्र जडेजा काफी समय तक भारत के लिए वो कार्य कर रहे थे। और आप चूंकि इस भारतीय टीम में जो T20 आज वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल खेलने वाली है उसमें ऐसा कोई खिलाड़ी नजर नहीं आता जो उस स्पेसिफिक जगह पर आपको वो कार्य करके लगातार दे सके।
बिल्कुल। 11 overs gone, 72 for 2, but we are happy that we have Sunita Sarte. We'll come back soon.
In dance and music, Team Sanada has delivered more than 3,800 plus performances across 3 continents. The visually impaired musical band and dance troupe of Sanada is deeply creative with talented musicians, dancers and instrumentalists.
Kalpana will come back for her second over and the second spell as well from the commentary box end. 11 over 72 for 2. So the probability angle that we were talking about. Again, straight to Priya Kher at short square leg. They will take that single very comfortably. Nice work there from Priya Kher again.
जी हाँ, बहुत ही बेहतर बॉल वहां पर रोका और जो हाइट है उसका भरपूर फायदा उठाया। उसका फायदा बल्लेबाजी में भी मिलता है, गेंदबाजी में मिलता है, लेकिन फील्डिंग में उसका फायदा उठाना ये दिखाता है प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड, किस तरीके से आप वहाँ पर एक्टिव हैं। एक बार फिर रन चुराया। आज अगर आप देखेंगे तो हड़बड़ाहट, वो छटपटाहट नजर आती हुई वेस्ट जोन के खेमे में, और नॉर्थ जोन क्या मजबूत स्थिति में 74 पे 2 इस वक्त 11.2 ओवर में। पिछले दोनों मुकाबले जो खेले 90s में स्कोर रहा था 20 ओवर की पारी में, और आज 74 पे 2 11.2 ओवर में। तो कहीं ना कहीं बहुत ही बेहतर स्थिति आज और अच्छा कमबैक देखने को मिला है।
And you mentioned about Hadbadahat from the West Zone. I think they want to shout every ball to, I think, pressurize the North Zone player. That's exactly what's happening. See, they did not expect this kind of a retaliation. In the last 2 days, we did not see North Zone crossing over from the 90-run mark. 90 on the first day, 93 on the second day. Today, they are comfortably placed to go out. Of course, the projected is very, very nice of 130. So when they cross over 130, that will be a big, big boost for North Zone. Down the leg side, that's in the gap. That's nicely played away. That should be a boundary. Brilliant stroke. Jia Chope gets it. And the happy camp. Oh, Aneka Devi Thakur is also having an ice pack on her head as well to reduce the heat here at Delhi Modern School, Barakamba. Punish the bad ball.
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल खराब गेंदबाजी और उसको सही नसीहत दी। और अनेका कि आप देखेंगे, और अगर आप देखेंगे सर के ऊपर आइस केप, यानी कि गर्मी बहुत है, लेकिन अपनी टीम को एंजॉय करती हुई धूप में आकर अपनी टीम का हौसला अफजाई करती हुई, जिसकी बहुत जरूरत है इस वक्त। इस बार फिर से शॉट खेला है, रन की मांग, उसको पूरा करेंगे बल्लेबाज। कमाल की रनिंग बिटवीन द विकेट।
और बॉल कहां गई? सुनीता सारते के पास. She was not kneeling down, she was not bending, she was falling over. She was falling over with the throw. That's why the throw did not come in very strongly towards Sushma Patel.
लेकिन फिर भी नवीन आप देखिए कमिटमेंट, गिरते पड़ते थ्रो पूरा किया।
बिल्कुल
मौका जरूर बन सकता था वहां पर।
The commitment is always 200% from Sunita Sarte, no doubt. Another single on the reverse towards point. 2 overs gone, rather 12 overs. 81 for 2.
Sunada performing arts beyond barriers are not disabled. They are definitely abled. Samarthanam's education program believes every child deserves a chance to learn, grow, and lead a better life. Over 34,000 children have been educated through our initiatives, with 20% being students with disabilities and 80% from underprivileged backgrounds. Higher education with quality will take you closer to the better job. Through our
Priya Kher will start her second over. First over, of course, 10 runs from her bowling. She bowled a couple of wides in that over, and she starts off with another wide down the leg side now. And now it is comparatively a taller umpire, Shubhankar, to Anup. So he's got a better angle. He's not wanting to sway and bend away too much. But what is more impressive today is Sushma Patel for the West Zone has used 4 B1 bowlers, all the B1 bowlers. Saloni, of course, 2 overs, 13 runs from her as always. Very, very economical. Good shot again from Roshni towards the back of square leg. Chetna Ban is there, another single only. And then Shivani goes out there for 1 over 7 runs. Kalpana, 2 overs 15 runs. Again, very economical.
और देखिए नवीन, लंबाई का जो फायदा होता है वो न सिर्फ खिलाड़ी बल्कि अंपायर को भी होता है, और इस मुकाबले में देखने को मिला है। इस बार ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर कट किया है, बीट करेंगे फील्डर को, दूसरे रन की मांग, उसको बहुत ही आसानी से पूरा करेंगे बल्लेबाज। शानदार रनिंग बिटवीन द विकेट, उम्दा रनिंग बिटवीन द विकेट आज देखने को मिली है नॉर्थ जोन के खिलाड़ियों से।
Yeah, very well judged this second run as well from the proper angle of the ground. Look at this. No hesitation whatsoever from Jia Chaube and Roshni to come back for the second run, especially Roshni, I should say. She was going to the danger end. Jia once again times it really well. Straight to Chetna Ben. Get that single again. So if you really see what is happening in the ground, they are talking and cheering each other very nicely, the North Zone, because they know that this match is a far, far better performance from them compared to both the matches in the 2 days. As once again, behind the wicket, Goody very clearly shouts here, here, here. Down the leg side it goes. White ball.
दो वाइड बॉल इस ओवर में हो चुकी है और प्रिया जो कि B1 कैटेगरी की गेंदबाज है, इस बार अच्छा शॉट लगाया, पीछे फील्ड तैनात, लेकिन जब तक बॉल उठाएंगे एक रन लाइटनिंग क्विक रनिंग बिटवीन द विकेट आज देखने को मिली है। और हमारे दोनों ही कैमरामैन लगातार सभी शॉट्स, सभी मोमेंट को कैप्चर करते हुए तारीफ करनी होगी, जिस तरीके से लगातार हार्डवर्क करके दिखाया है अब तक। और इस मुकाबले में एक और जो सबसे बड़ी बात देखने को आई है, जो तालमेल की जो हमने कमी देखी थी पिछले दो मुकाबले में, सिर्फ उसको ठीक करने से आज एक बहुत ही बेहतर स्थिति में पहुंच चुकी है नॉर्थ जोन की टीम।
No doubt at all. Last ball of the 13th over. And Priya Kher does well the entire 5 deliveries. Now she has to finish well. Now that's very important. She cannot bowl extras and wides. The last ball does not bowl it. Goody once again behind the stumps. And look at the noise that goes in from West Zone. They want to pressurize the batters, and in that moment, an overthrow has been conceded. Well. 91 on the board after 13. And the overthrow run has been nicely taken in. Sunita Sarte tries to stop the ball, but we will look at her probability. First 2 attempts, she was, not bending down. And this is Aneka Devi Thakur. There, standing, loses her specs, but then hits the stumps on the direct. Once again, we will see those 2 angles where she did not hit the stumps on the full. That is something that we really have to go out there and see to that. This was the earlier opportunity. There she was standing, same angle, and it was Jia Chaube who was being sent back by Aneka Devi Thakur, no direct hit. And this was once again Jia Chaube hitting the ball towards Sunita Sarte, and even then she was standing. That time also she did not get the direct hit. So it's 2-1 against Navin Shaurya and Sunita Sarte. That's what is happening. I am saying Sunita Sarte will not hit the stumps when she is not kneeling down. And now she comes to bowl as well for her second spell into the 3rd over. Plays that one towards short square. And we will also show you the run out that was inflicted while she was not kneeling down. There we go, once again.
But still, I believe that deep down you want to win Sunita Sarte in this battle.
Totally. Always. क्योंकि मुझे players हमेशा heroes हैं. मैं मतलब हमेशा सुनीता को ये ज़्यादा number दूंगा हमेशा. And not just her, any player for that matter. And of course, from day after tomorrow, Amit, we are having another big series coming up from Cricket Association, so ban in India. I think Karnataka versus Orissa men are clashing on against each other in Bengaluru. That'll be a big, massive tournament. Straight to short square. Single again. So if you remember, Delhi, of course, was in the finals with Karnataka, but remember in the semi-finals, Delhi beat Orissa. So Orissa wants to prove a point. With Sukram Maji going out there, wanting to take that little bit of a revenge, but not against Karnataka. That's a nice shot. That's in the gap. And will reach the boundary as well. Good shot from Roshni. Well. North Zone have done really better than last 2 days, and they are really happy camp out there.
और आज का जो प्रदर्शन है उसको साफ 2 शब्दों में अगर बयां करें तो कहेंगे क्या शानदार ये आज बल्लेबाजी देखने को मिली है। कौन कहता है आसमान में सुराख नहीं होता, एक पत्थर तबीयत से उछालो तो यारो। आज जो बल्लेबाजी देखने को मिली है, 100 की दहलीज पे खड़ी है नॉर्थ जोन वुमेन्स की टीम और इस मुकाबले में शानदार प्रदर्शन, करारे प्रहार लगाए, बाउंड्रीज ली, उसके अलावा बाउंड्रीज के ऊपर ज्यादा रिलाई न करते हुए एक एक दो दो रन को जो कन्वर्ट किया है, जो रनिंग बिटवीन द विकेट देखने को मिली है। एक बार फिर से तालमेल में जरूर कमी है, लेकिन तालमेल तो आज फील्डर का भी नजर नहीं आया।
Oh my God, that was close. That was very close. Roshni wanted that single. There she was pushing Jia Chobe. And it was in the gap. Jia Chobe thought that Soloni had stopped the ball. The B1 fielder had shot mid-wicket. She did not. Wow. But nevertheless, like I said, Amit, this is a very, very good performance from the bat here as of now from the North Zone. They are on 99. This is the first time in this Beyond Boundaries trophy that they will be reaching a 3-figure mark on the scoreboard. On the first day, they were 90. Then the second day, little better, 93. Today, 99 and still 6 overs remaining. As Chetna Band will come in for her second spell, 2 overs, 11 runs before this. And the B1 bowlers. Yeah, they have done really well. Three more overs of the B1 is still remaining. Nicely nudged away to fine leg from Roshni for a single. And Jia Chobe has done well. 26 of 24 deliveries.
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल पार्टनरशिप बिल्ड की है। और इसी के साथ 100 रन बोर्ड पर लगा दिए हैं नॉर्थ जोन वुमेन की टीम ने। यहाँ पर अपील जरूर की है, उत्साह काफी ज्यादा, विश्वास कम नजर आया है आज गेंदबाज और फील्डर्स के खेल में।
Yeah, the appeal was strong enough. I guess it was off the glove, back live. We will come back to that one. Timed away. Sunita Srate! No, directed! She was not kneeling down. This story continues. I really want Sunita Sate to go out there and inflict the run out. And there we go. She was not kneeling down. And no, directed. The batter still struggling, Jia Chobe, to come in. So just on a funnier side, 3-1. Sunita Sarte 1, Navin Shori 3.
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल इस वक्त लीड आपके पक्ष में है, लेकिन देखना होगा जिस तरीके की चैंपियन खिलाड़ी है कभी भी मात दे सकती हैं
बिल्कुल।
और देखना होगा उनके।
मुझसे ज्यादा खुशी किसी को नहीं होगी
हाँ,
अगर वो
बिल्कुल
मुझे
मैं
मात देती तो।
जानता हूँ कि आप डीप डाउन इस बैटल को हारना पसंद करेंगे,
बिल्कुल
क्योंकि बतौर खिलाड़ी आप जरूर चाहते हैं कि एक खिलाड़ी बेहतर करे, और जो आपका भी क्रिकेट में अनुभव रहा है, आप चाहेंगे जरूर एक खिलाड़ी की जीत हो, और अगर उनकी जीत है तो कहीं ना कहीं भारतीय टीम को फायदा होगा।
और कैबी का जीत होगा अगर प्लेयर्स जीते हैं तो again Sunita Sarte, she's not kneeling down. No, directed. This story continues. My word. Wow. 4-1 now. Sunita Sarte is not kneeling down and no directed. Roshni is surviving on thin ice. Very, very thin ice. There. Jia Chobe survived, another directed, and now Roshni. We'll come back to that. 15 gone, 1 or 2 for 2.
Higher education support, more than 24,000 students across 11 states have been able to continue their studies and chase their dreams. The vision behind Samarthanam's education and higher education programs to create an inclusive society where education empowers everyone. At Samarthanam Livelihood Resource Center, we believe that every individual deserves a chance to build their future with dignity, skill, and independence. With 17 livelihood resource centers across 10 states, we have
इस बार रिवर्स लगाया, पीछे थर्ड मैन पे फील्डर जरूर मौजूद है। और इसी के साथ अगर आप देखेंगे आज प्रोजेक्टेड स्कोर 135 रन। यहाँ से अगर इसी अंदाज में बल्लेबाजी करेंगे, लेकिन जो चिंता का विषय है वो ये है कि वेस्ट जोन की टीम अच्छे फॉर्म में, इस बार बल्ले के बीचों बीच नील डाउन की है, इस बार रन आउट का चांस, इस बार विकेट मिलता हुआ।
Or there we go. Kneeling down and throw. Sunita Sarte inflicts the run out. 5-2 in favor of Navin Shauri. Yes, but I am happy that this is Sunita Sarte's second run out already. And Jia Chobe has to go back. The kneel down throw, the trademark throw. Yes, Sushma Patel was there, but Jia Chobe not even in the frame. We'll look at that once again. Not the directed, it's okay. Directed, not directed, that's not the matter. The matter is that it's a run out. That's a brilliant point. Again, kneeling down, Sunita Sarte goes for the throw, and the story continues here with a run out that's been inflicted. The combination of Sushma Patel and Sunita Sarte working out well here. So finally, the run out has been inflicted, and the partnership with Roshni and Jia Chobe was kind of broken as Rekha has walked out to the center.
एक बार फिर बड़ी अपील, लेग स्टंप पर जाती हुई बॉल। नवीन भाई, जिस प्रकार जो एनालिसिस आपने किया है उसमें भले ही नंबर्स में जीत आपकी हुई हो और आप आगे भी चल रहे हैं, लेकिन जो कार्य सुनीता ने करके दिखाया उससे आपको बहुत खुशी भी मिलती है, क्योंकि एक क्रिकेट फैन होने के नाते भी अगर देखा जाए, बीइंग अ कमेंटेटर हमें न्यूट्रल रहना पड़ता है, हमें सभी टीमों को, सभी प्लेयर्स को बराबर तरीके से देखना है, लेकिन जो एक एनालिसिस की हम बात करते हैं उसके ऊपर जो आपने जिक्र किया वो बहुत ही शानदार है।
Yeah, skill-wise, she's beaten me for sure, no doubt. We will look at that run out once again. 16 gone, 106 for 3. We will see that run out on the kneeling down. But you know what? When people ask me, Amit, what happens is they ask me which team do you support. I never say that because for me, players matters a lot. Not just in our cabbie, but anywhere else. There we go. Just not even in the frame. Because player से team बनती है ना? टीम से of course player भी बनते हैं, लेकिन हम एक टीम के ऊपर नहीं कर सकते, है ना? हमारे जो जो अटैचमेंट रहता है, जो फैनिज्म रहता है, वो प्लेयर के ऊपर रहता है ना? So reverse, oh, that came back in very very sharply. Huge appeal, but probably she just pushed it off the bat. Roshni out there. Well, Saloni's curving back in delivery. Oh, how close was she for the LBW and the wicket by clean bowling her. Single towards fine leg.
आखिरी वक्त पर विकेट के सामने जरूर पाई गई थी, लेकिन बाल बाल बचे बल्लेबाज वहां पर। 107 3 विकेट के नुकसान पर इस वक्त नॉर्थ जोन की टीम, रोशनी जो कि B2 कैटेगरी की बल्लेबाज है, 21 रन 22 गेंदों में, और उनका साथ निभाने के लिए अब रेखा आई है, जिनको अपना पहला रन अभी भी बनाना है।
And also this is West Zones' another idea to go ahead and provide a lot of opportunity for the B1 player. This is the 9th over of the B1 bowlers. Dot ball again in the 9th over already. So the 9th over from the B1 bowlers. Dot ball. Saloni does really well in her 3rd over already. 15 runs that she's conceded. Shivani has bowled 2 overs. Kalpana has bowled 2 overs. Priya Kher has bowled 2 overs. And Saloni in her 3rd over already. So 9 overs. So they can bowl more than 8 overs. That's what we are trying to say. Bowled. Gone. That's it. Saloni picks up a wicket. Rekha does not get a straighter one. And the ball was hitting the black margin as well.
यहाँ पर धीमी गति की गेंद, बल्लेबाज जल्दी शॉट खेल गए और गलती कर बैठे। स्टंप्स पर जाकर लगी बॉल। देखिए बल्लेबाज ने अपना शॉट खेल दिया, उसके बाद बॉल आया, स्टंप्स पर जाकर लगा। और सबसे बड़ी बात, ब्लैक हिस्से में जाकर वो लगा है बॉल, जिसके चलते बल्लेबाज अब पवेलियन की ओर वापस जाती हुई 108 पे 4।
Yeah, Saloni, the extra over from the B1 bowler, paying good dividends here for the West Zone. End of the over, of course. And Savita has walked out at number 6. Remember, Danica is still not out. So Savita has walked in, played away towards that square leg region, single, and gets off the mark. Savita keeps strike. 17 overs gone, 109 for 4.
We've trained over 53,000 students to choose the right profession and achieve financial independence. We feel proud that 63% of our trainees are successfully placed across various sectors, proving that skill and determination has no limits. Through 250 plus job fairs, we have created opportunities for 23,000 plus individuals to find a meaningful employment. Our mission is to provide technical and sector-based training for persons with disabilities and underprivileged communities to help them build a sustainable future. Samarthanam Institute of Music and Performing Arts. We offer Bharatanatyam dance, Hindustani classical music, Carnatic classical.
Ready, bat?
Muskan Gochar comes into the attack. First over in the 19th over, and then another single towards square leg. But Amit, it's a very, very good turnaround from the North Zone batters compared to the last 2 days.
और ये जो आज मुकाबला जिस तरीके से, जिस मोमेंटम के साथ खेला है नॉर्थ जोन की टीम ने अब तक, वो कहीं ना कहीं दबाव बनाने की कोशिश है। एक बार फिर अच्छा थ्रो वहां पर देखने को मिला है। और अब जब जब बॉल सुनीता के पास जाएगी, अच्छा थ्रो की उम्मीद गेंदबाज भी करता है। और कहीं ना कहीं हल्का सा सुधार देखने को मिला है जिस तरीके से गेंदबाज ने बॉल को गैदर किया, क्योंकि इसके पहले 2 बार ऐसे मौके आए थे। इस बार कदमों का प्रयोग, शॉट खेला है, गैप में बॉल, एक बार फिर से फील्डर आती हुई, रन आउट का चांस, और वहां पर एक बार फिर उंगली खड़ी होती हुई।
और एक बार फिर सुनीता सारथे, she inflicts the 3rd run out today, and this time also she was not kneeling down, which is okay. The ball was hit very strongly from Roshni towards Sunita Sarthe, and running between the wickets. Savita knew that it was Sunita. That's why she did not go for it at all. And Goody does really well. And there we see the shot that was played going down the wicket. It was straight to Sunita. And look at Savita. The call was very correct. It was Sunita. They should not have taken the run. Roshni, of course, did not think about that one. She was being dismissed. Another batter walks in. Tanika should probably come in, Amit. She can come into bat. You know, she was playing really well as Prerna Rathi is walking in now in the 18th over. But for me, Tanika, who's still retired, hurt. 13 runs of 12 deliveries. She can make a comeback as well. But there is 2 new batters, Savita and Roshni, who did really play well. 21 of just 24 deliveries. She scored a boundary as well. Running between the wickets was an issue. We'll show that to you once again after this ball. Prerna Rathi will face that one.
काफी साधारण गेंद, वाइड बॉल का निर्णय अंपायर के द्वारा। और ये वो रन आउट, अगर आप देखेंगे आगे बढ़कर शॉट खेला था, बहुत तेज गति के साथ आई, वहां पर गलती कर बैठी। 2 गलतियां वहां पर देखने को मिली। पहली, आपको ये देखना चाहिए था बतौर बल्लेबाज किस फील्डर के पास बॉल गया है। सबसे ज्यादा एक्टिव फील्डर अगर आप देखेंगे स्टार्ट में मौजूद थी, और जैसे ही शॉट खेलकर बल्लेबाज आगे निकले और सपोर्ट वहां पर मिला नहीं, उसके बाद अच्छा थ्रो और बाकी का कार्य कीपर ने बहुत आसानी से किया।
I would really appreciate Savita's call here. You know, she saw that it was Sunita Sarthe. She does not want to run. Roshni should have actually kept that in the mind. Good shot. Beats Sunita Sarthe at mid-wicket, but there will be only one. Chetna Ben will come across very nicely and quickly towards that square leg region. So, but yeah, we were talking about the betterment of the North Zone with the bat. Very impressive from the first day in this Beyond Boundaries trophy as well. Last ball of the 18th over. Goes the reverse. Should only be a single. No. Fumble there from Jia. They will want to come back for the second run. And they will complete it very comfortably. 18 gone, 115 for 5. And this is the Beyond Boundaries trophy. Very shining, very bright. Of course, the West Zone will have their hand on this one. But this is a big, big turnaround from the North Zone. 18 gone, 115 for 5.
Classical music and theatre arts drama. SIMPA provides free education for persons with disabilities and the underserved. Sunadha, the arts and cultural wing of Samarthanam Trust for the Disabled, where Samarthanam encourages artistic talent among people with disabilities by
और इस बार शॉट जरूर खेला है, लेकिन बल्ले का अंदरूनी किनारा लगते हुए विकेट कीपर के पास जाती हुई जिया, जो कि गेंदबाजी के लिए आई हैं। इस बार अच्छा संपर्क, पीछे फील्डर तैनात, 1 रन बड़ी आसानी के साथ मिल जाएगा। और अब आखिरी 2 ओवर में जो रन गति है उसको बढ़ाने की जरूर कोशिश करेंगे दोनों ही बल्लेबाज। हालांकि अभी अभी क्रीज पर आए हैं प्रेरणा और सविता। इस बार रिवर्स लगाया, कवर्स पर फील्डर तैनात, जब तक बॉल को उठाएंगे 1 रन दौड़कर पूरा किया। तो पहली 3 गेंदों में 2 रन आ चुके हैं।
Yeah, and also 9 overs. Remember, we were talking about that one. Saloni bowling 3 overs for 16. And then Shivani bowling 2 overs for 11 runs. The P1 bowlers. Kalpana 2 overs for 15 runs. That's in the gap towards the commentary box. Nobody at mid-on. Sunita Sarte had to come in from mid-wicket. And 62 runs of the 9 overs. That's very, very impressive from the West Zone bowlers. 9 overs of P1. They did bowl 1 over extra than the mandatory 8 overs. And once again, very economical was Saloni. 5.3 her economy rate in 3 overs, 16 runs that she gave away, and she also picked up a wicket.
Ready?
Jia Soraya bowling the penultimate 19th over, last ball as well. The grip on the hand was not right from Savita. She did not grip it well on the handle. 19 gone, 118 for 5.
imparting training in dance and music. Team Sunadha has delivered more than 3,800 plus performances across 3 continents. The visually impaired musical band and dance troupe of Sunadha is deeply creative with talented musicians, dancers, and instrumentalists. Sunadha performing arts beyond barriers are not disabled, they are definitely abled. Samarthanam's education program believes every child deserves a chance.
Last over of the first innings, and for the first time, North Zone have not been bowled out in the 20 overs. That's very, very impressive. And even without Simudas, I should say, they have managed to keep the West Zone bowlers at bay. That is really nicely done. First ball, dot delivery.
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल। और बहुत ही बेहतर आज प्रदर्शन किया है नॉर्थ जोन की टीम ने। इस बार अच्छा शॉट और अच्छा स्टॉप भी B1 कैटेगरी के फील्डर के द्वारा। शानदार ये स्टॉप करके दिखाया बॉल को वहां पर।
Kalpana at that short square leg. Very good work. There you see the dive coming in at the right time. And that just garnered 1 run for the North Zone. Savita should probably find a boundary. Somewhere get to 125. That'll be very nice on the moral boost. Oh, no ball. No ball. Just over the center line. The first bounce does not happen in the bowler's half. Single towards short square leg. So another 7 or 8 runs. I feel we have a match on our hands in the last match of the Beyond Boundaries Trophy.
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल। और आज कहीं ना कहीं वेस्ट जोन की टीम के ऊपर एक दबाव ये भी रहेगा कि ये वो टीम पहले नजर डालेंगे इन ट्रॉफीज के ऊपर, और जिसका मैं जिक्र कर रहा था। इसी बीच एक अच्छा शॉट। आज वेस्ट जोन की टीम कहीं ना कहीं वो दबाव जरूर महसूस करेगी, क्योंकि ये वो खूबसूरत ट्रॉफी और अगर आप देखेंगे पिछले 2 मैचेस उस तरीके से नहीं खेले थे नॉर्थ जोन की टीम ने, लेकिन आज कुछ अलग बदलाव देखने को मिला है और वो एक ऐसा कारण रहेगा कि कहीं ना कहीं जब आप रन चेज के लिए आएंगे तो दबाव जरूर वेस्ट जोन की टीम के ऊपर रहेगा और किस प्रकार गेंदबाजी करेंगे नॉर्थ जोन के गेंदबाज इस मुकाबले में, वो देखना बहुत ही दिलचस्प होगा।
If you remember yesterday, almost just 1 wicket was the difference. If Sunita Sarte's run out was inflicted yesterday, then the West Zone would have been forced to send Sushma Patel out. Yeah, of course, he's a very good batter, but the pressure would have been on. And remember, there is no Taco Ben as well today. He's also been rested. The big left-hand batter. Good stop by Chetna Ben at that short backward of square leg. And they want a second run. Will be a run out. Yeah, 123 only on the board. He wanted a second run, Prerna Rathi. And probably did not get it. Run out as well. Yeah, once again, good stop. Very good stop from Chetna Ben. And the throw went in. She completed that first run, 123. And then, yeah, that's it. All over. 6 wickets there for the taking. And like we said, it's a very, very good performance from the North Zone women today. As 20 overs, they've put up 123 on the board. And what we will now do is go to Sunita Sarte's interview. Yes, we did play that before the toss as well. But if somebody wouldn't have probably caught it, there's another way of going for it. So 124 is what the North Zone women have put up. The target is 125 for the West Zone. But straight into Sunita's talks from her heart. Welcome to this wonderful, wonderful place where we keep talking about yesterday's brilliant performances. Yes, it's the player of the match performances that we keep talking about in the collective newsrooms, the CSR initiative that everybody can play. Of course, this is Cricket Association for the Blind in India, Samarthanam Trust for the Disabled, and Cricket Association for the Blind Delhi organizing this together with a wonderful place that has been provided by Modern School Bharakamba as well. And I have Sunita Sarte with me, जो कल की प्लेयर ऑफ द मैच थी. बहुत बढ़िया खेला आपने कल तीनों डिपार्टमेंट में. मतलब फील्डिंग तो आपकी है ही है, बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग जोन, अभी बैटिंग में भी और बॉलिंग में भी. कल 3 विकेट, 2 एलबीडब्ल्यू और 1 बोल्ड. किसी और की मदद की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी आपको कल?
नहीं सर, एक टीम को मैनेजमेंट बना के रखना होता है, कैसे कब किसका विकेट चाहिए, क्योंकि विकेट ज़रूरी होते हैं खेलने के लिए. और ये नहीं है हार जीत, खेलने के लिए भाई अपन खेल रहे हैं तो विकेट भी ज़रूरी है, फिर रनिंग भी ज़रूरी है, रन भी ज़रूरी है.
बिल्कुल. और कल की बात तो उसके बाद फिर से भी हम उसके ऊपर वापस आएंगे, लेकिन थोड़ी सी पीछे जाएंगे, पिछले साल तक जाएंगे, कोलंबो जाएंगे हम लोग, है ना, जहां पर वर्ल्ड कप का फाइनल्स हुआ था. हालांकि बागुनी के बारे में तो सब बात करते हैं, दीपिका के बारे में भी सब बात करते हैं, सारे प्लेयरों के बारे में बात करते हैं, आपके बारे में भी मैं हमेशा बोलते रहता हूं कि वो एक रनआउट, जो टर्निंग पॉइंट वाला रनआउट, बिनीता पुन नेपाल की कप्तान को आपने जहां पर वहां पर जाकर रनआउट किया, वहां उस रनआउट के चलते इंडिया को वो चेज इतना ज्यादा भारी नहीं पड़ा उनको. तो उस रनआउट के बाद क्या क्या डिस्कशन था, या बिनीता से कुछ बातचीत हुई बाद में, क्योंकि आप तो बहुत जोवियल हो, बहुत फ्रेंडली हो सबके साथ. मैच के बाद बातचीत हुई बिनीता से?
हाँ, मेरी बात हुई थी. बोला कि भाई रन आउट कर दिया मुझे. मतलब मैच में तो ये होता ही है, मैच में अगर अपन खेल रहे हैं तो भाई तुम हमको करो, हम भी तुमको कर सकते हैं, ये तो सब होता ही है. लेकिन हम लोगों की फ्रेंडशिप बहुत अच्छी है और वो रन आउट मेरे लिए जिंदगी का पहला रन आउट है जो इतना यादगार है. इंडिया वर्ल्ड कप विन हुई, बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे.
बिल्कुल, क्योंकि जब भी आप नेपाल जाओगे, जब भी आप बिनीता से फिर से बात करोगे या बिनीता यहाँ पर आएगी खेलने के लिए, तो वो प्लीज मतलब बोलना कि वो भी बहुत बड़ी प्लेयर हैं, क्योंकि जो दबाव वो ला सकती थी इंडिया के ऊपर ना उस फाइनल्स में, अगर वो टिक जाती तो माहौल कुछ अलग ही होता.
जी जी सर, बिल्कुल बहुत अच्छी बैटर है वो. और अभी हम भी इंडिया के जो हैं जितने भी प्लेयर हैं और मतलब बनना चाह रहे हैं उनके जैसा खेलेंगे.
अरे बिल्कुल. लेकिन सुनीता, उस वर्ल्ड कप के बाद जो शाबाशी मिली हर जगह से, चाहे हमारे चहीते प्रधानमंत्री जी हो, नरेंद्र मोदी साहब हो, या प्रेसिडेंट द्रौपदी मुर्मू मैडम हो, सब लोग ने इतना प्यार जताया, इतना आपको मतलब प्रोत्साहन दिया. उस प्रोत्साहन का पॉजिटिव क्या उभर कर आ रहा है सुनीता, आपको क्या लग रहा है?
वर्ल्ड कप मतलब हुआ है जब से लड़कियों की लाइफ बहुत चेंज हो गई है. सब कुछ मिला, सपोर्ट मिला और अभी और भी मिल रहा है. तो ब्लाइंड क्रिकेट और आगे बढ़े और सपोर्ट मिले इसको, और अच्छे लोग मतलब इसको इंक्रीज करें. और मैं चाहूँगी कि ब्लाइंड क्रिकेट बहुत आगे जाए, जैसे नॉर्मल क्रिकेट है वैसे हम लोगों को ब्लाइंड क्रिकेट भी आगे जाए। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू नहीं, अभी और है बात, रुको रुको रुको, थैंक यू बोल के भाग कहाँ जाओगे आप? लेकिन उस वर्ल्ड कप के बाद जो टूर्नामेंट्स हुए, मतलब जैसे कि नेशनल्स हुए हैं, जैसे कि अभी जोनल्स हो रहे हैं, तो उड़ीसा में अगर जब नेशनल्स की थोड़ी सी अगर बात किया जाए, जहां पर मध्य प्रदेश, आप और सुषमा पटेल दोनों, मतलब वहां पर दबाव भी था और वहां पर प्रेशर भी था सेमीफाइनल्स में। आप मतलब बहुत अच्छी खेली, सुषमा भी बहुत अच्छी खेली, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं एक छोटी सी कमी रह गई एमपी के लिए, जहां पर फाइनल्स पे पहुंच नहीं पाए। तो जब उतने बड़े मुकाम पर जाने के बाद, फाइनल्स के बाद, फाइनल मतलब वर्ल्ड कप विक्ट्री के बाद मैं बोल रहा हूं, जब ऐसे छोटी सी या बहुत बड़ी घाव लगती है, एक हार की